This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Town Realty property video is presented by Beth Otery. One-level living in this gorgeous all-brick ranch with split floor plan. Primary bedroom and bath are on one side of the home and secondary bedrooms on the opposite. One is ensuite and the other uses a full hall bath. The generous great room has a vaulted ceiling and gas fireplace and is open to the beautifully renovated eat-in kitchen with granite, stainless steel appliances, farm sink, and coffered ceiling. Formal dining area has floor-to-ceiling built-ins. The owners are sad to go but choosing to move closer to family. Before they knew they were leaving, they installed new kitchen floor, generator hookup, gutter guards, and an extra long hose for the central vac. Plus they had 20 trees removed to make the house bright. This home was built by the